Let's sketch an adorable kitten. Initiate with a curved stroke for its small head. The ears make a triangle on each side with curved tips. Sketch a pair of tiny arcs for the cheeks, creating a parenthesis on each flank. For the whisker area, make it pointed and bring the jawline beneath. The cat's shape will appear. Add 2 round eyes symmetrically with 2 small circles inside and fill the surrounding with black. Its crisp, big, watery eyes and its nose is also an ellipse. Leave a spot for highlight, small elliptical shape. Illustrate a downward trail for a charming upturned smile resembling a petite tongue. We finished the kitty's head. Now for its chest, draw a little bell, which is just a circle. Then add a big circle with a straight line and place another circle inside. Depict a tiny loop up the neck and proceed to outline the body. On each flank, employ an arc, connect the paws at the bottom. Draw a big tail again. So, in this way, the delightful kitten is completely ready. Little paw should be placed here. And next we'll proceed to paint it. We have pristine white fur that's embellished with charming eyelashes. Paint the cheeks with a rosy hue. Now it appears extremely cute. And for the tongue, red will be the perfect colour to fill it in. Now for this tiny pouch up here, we'll make it brim with a lovely shade of red. The collar below with a bell, 3 little golden bells. Let's colour them in. Give little white cat, so simple and adorable. Let him stand on the grass. Some dots for grass. Well, for the yellow kitten we can add some shadows. Make it more 3-dimensional. There must be a shadow under the bell. Round it, let's give it some shadow. Bottom we'll add 1. Here your shadow is too light. If it's too faint, we use this slightly dark.